$12.22 was the price of Bitcoin in 2012 during the first Bitcoin halving. And today it is more than $30,000. Insane, right? Well, what is Bitcoin halving? In simple terms, when Bitcoin miners get half of the reward that they were getting before this particular event of Bitcoin halving, this particular scenario is called as Bitcoin halving. But why do they get the reward in the first place? Well, they help the blockchain with its functions, and in return they get the rewards as Bitcoin. And that's why this term is called as Bitcoin mining, and they get Bitcoin as reward. But why it takes 4 years for this Bitcoin halving? Is there any necessary reasons behind it? Well, there are some reasons behind it. That's why it takes 4 years. And it is not about 4 years at all. Basically, there are some technical terms that I am about to use, but I hope you will be able to understand it. In case if you are not able to, then you can just simply comment down below and I will be happy to help you out understand this particular concept. So basically, when Satoshi Nakamoto created this particular blockchain or this concept of blockchain called as Bitcoin, and in his codes he mentioned that whenever 210k blocks are being added to this particular blockchain, the halving event will take place, which will reduce the Bitcoin rewards for the miners. This will make this particular blockchain as deflationary, and it makes the token of this particular blockchain or the coin of this blockchain, which is Bitcoin, as deflationary coin. Which basically means that as the supply of this Bitcoin decreases with time, because the miners are getting less of the Bitcoin as the time passes by, and the demand remains the same for this particular Bitcoin, or it increases, the price will also increase. It is basically simple economics that whenever the demand of some particular product goes up, the price also goes up. As simple as that. So it takes around 10 minutes for one block to be added to this particular blockchain. And when we do the maths, for 210k blocks, it takes around 4 years. That's why it takes 4 years for Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin miners used to get 50 Bitcoin as a reward before first halving. And today, after the 2020 halving, the miners get around 6.25 Bitcoin. And after 2024 halving, it will be halved. So this is how this reward system for miners work. And this event of halving impacts the price of Bitcoin because it makes the Bitcoin even more scarce for the people out there, as miners will get less rewards and they will be able to sell less in the market. And this is how the supply of Bitcoin will be curtailed to some particular amount. And this event of Bitcoin halving will go till 2140. And even after that, people will still be mining rewards on Bitcoin, as they will be getting benefited by the transaction fees on Bitcoin. Some people even compare Bitcoin with gold and also call Bitcoin as the new age gold, and there are some similarities as well. That's why they call it the new age gold. And the first similarity is that there is limitation on Bitcoin as well as on gold. There is limited amount of gold on this particular earth, and also there is limited amount of Bitcoins out there. Only 21 million Bitcoins will be ever mined in this particular blockchain, and there will be no mining after that. The second similarity is that there is some store of value in gold. If you purchased gold 50 years ago, the value of that particular gold has increased over the period of time. And in the similar case, if you purchased Bitcoin around 20 years ago, the price is insane and absolutely high. So this way, the store of value is there in Bitcoin as well, though the volatility is still an issue. And the third similarity is that as we mine more gold out there, the harder it gets for us to mine or find even more gold for us. And in the similar way, mining Bitcoin will get even harder with the passage of time. And by passage of time, I mean the halving. There might be a time when everyone is fighting to get the Bitcoin and it's quite hard, and only few will be able to get Bitcoin. If you really like this video, make sure to support us, and by support us, I mean that you can like this video or subscribe to our channel, and also comment down below how you felt while viewing this video and how we can improve. Thank you so much for watching.